Enter Bollywood. Wanna catch all the excitement of Bollywood? Just log on to zoomtv.in.
Well, दूल्हा मिल गया और प्यार इम्पॉसिबल को टफ कंपटीशन देते हुए 3 इडियट्स अब बी बॉक्स ऑफिस को रूल कर रही है। फिल्म को जबरदस्त ओपनिंग तो मिली ही थी, पर क्रेडिट रोल को लेकर छिड़ी चेतन भगत के साथ कंट्रोवर्सी ने जाने अनजाने में फिल्म को और भी फायदा करवा दिया। बट द पॉइंट इज, आर वी गोइंग द राइट वे व्हेन इट कम्स टू अडैप्टेशंस? इसी पर बात करने के लिए हमारे साथ है नोटेड फिल्म क्रिटिक एंड ऑथर herself, Bhavna Somaya. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
To begin with, please tell us, what do you make of this whole 3 Idiots controversy?
I think it's much ado about nothing. All the drama is now over. The producer has, poor thing, said shut up to the media and then apologized. The author has done his own bit. He has made so many sensational statements in the media and he has also apologized. So I think it should be now curtain call और इस controversy के बारे में अभी हमको बिल्कुल नहीं बात करनी चाहिए.
So do you think we're going the right way about this compared to how it's done in Hollywood?
देखो, बात ये है कि you're talking about how it's done in Hollywood in the adaptations.
Right.
When books are done.
Right.
I feel कि क्या होता है कि Hollywood में वैसे ही they make very very elaborate contracts.
True.
Every single thing is noted down, debated, discussed, clarified, streamlined, registered and signed.
Right.
Here you know what happens, हम लोग ज़बानी तौर पे करते हैं सब कुछ and we believe a lot, we trust a lot. So all these contracts have started coming about only after the corporates have been formed.
True.
So we are not putting it all on the paper. So when somebody is making a film from a book, so it is not as if that whole book is being taken exactly as it is. And we have to define that कितना उसमें से use किया गया है, कितना नहीं use किया गया है, and accordingly make a contract.
So when a film is adapted, whether the producer uses 10% of the book or 90% of the book, should that affect the credit roll?
I really don't think that it can be answered so simply. In all matters in Hollywood, and slowly it's happening in India, in all conflicts, in all discussions, the producer is the last word. Because he's the man who's putting the money, and it should be. The director is the creative director. But in terms of where the billing should go, of anybody, I think the producer takes the call.
तो क्या adaptations को लेकर इंडिया में fundamental changes होने चाहिए, जैसे कि having a separate recognition for adapted films in award functions?
मुझे लगता है कि ये इंडिया में इसलिए नहीं होगा क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ ऑलरेडी बहुत ज़्यादा कैटेगरीज है और बहुत सारी छोटे छोटे हम लोग डिवाइड करके कैटेगरीज ज़्यादा बनाते रहते हैं. कॉमेडी रोल और विलन रोल, ये सब वहाँ नहीं होता है. तो उनके लिए बहुत सारी फिल्में दे डू इट एज एडेप्टेशंस एंड वेरी सीरियसली दे डू इट. वी डोंट. इट इज़ जस्ट बीन वन पर्टिकुलर ईयर के जहाँ बहुत सारी किताबों पर हो जाएगा, फिर कुछ 10 साल तक नहीं होता है. So I don't think that it is a good idea to have a special category at all for an adaptation.
So during film adaptations, do you think the authors are underpaid?
I don't think that I can answer that categorically. Just in the way we have superstars, we have megastars, we have actors and we have side actors and we have struggling actors. और सबके range of payments is अलग. उसी तरह से there are super selling authors, there are okay authors and there are struggling authors. So you can't say that I'm underpaid. It all depends on how desperate the other person is in buying my book and how much he can afford and what I'm willing to give.
So finally, coming back to the 3 Idiots controversy, what positive or negative changes can we expect?
I think there are 3 lessons to be learned from the 3 Idiots.
Okay.
Number 1, for the producer, make sure that the contract is clear cut and every single thing is explained so that nobody gets up and has a fight with you.
Right.
Number 2, for the author, make sure that you understand everything and afterwards don't make a noise about it and don't cry wolf later on and say that I have cheated or I felt betrayed. Number 3, the most important for the media, don't get caught in wrong stupid controversies. This is between the producer and the writer. Let them resolve and sort it out. Don't break your brains over it.
Well, I think those are lovely 3 points. Thank you very much for talking to us.
Privilege.